Ngipediang ngobha yapi baro kibapet yakabam fan channel.
I don't rush, not today. Each slice of carrot, each square I cut, I think of her. She taught me that even the simplest ingredients deserve care. Because for her, cooking was never just a task. It was love, soft, unspoken, a quiet promise to give the best of what little she had. There's no rush, not even with peas, each one taken in my fingers, like she used to do, like it matters, then into a bowl quietly, as though I'm saving something small, something important, and for a moment she's here, in the rhythm, in the quiet, in the care I still carry. The eggs rest in a bowl. I beat them gently, slow, unhurried, simple movements, steady hands, just like she used to do. The carrots are chopped, the peas sorted. There was order in her kitchen, not perfection, but quiet care. She believed even the smallest things deserved attention. No step was ever too small, no task too simple to matter, each in their own bowl, just like she did. They go in together, carrots and peas into the bubbling water, a simple step, but one she always took with care. She never said much, but in every grain of rice she made, I could taste her care. Now as I prepare the same, I remember that silence and what it meant. I cut the chicken small, just the way she did, not rushed, not rough. Every cut was careful, every touch deliberate. She believed flavor began long before the cooking, in the way you treated the food. So I mixed gently, cornstarch, soy sauce, and memory, because it's not just about taste, it's about care and what you carry forward. The pan heats and the sizzle begins. I place the chicken gently, like she used to, never throwing, never rushing. She taught me that even heat has to be earned with patience. The aroma rises, slow, familiar, and I feel it again, that quiet kind of love that once filled our home. The carrots and peas, now soft from the boil, go into the pan, ready to be stirred to life again. I stir slowly, like she used to, in the rhythm of my hands. In the steam rising from the pan, I feel her presence. She cooked with intention, with heart, and I try to do the same. Two spoons of salt, measured, not guessed. She believed every ingredient deserved attention. Chicken, carrots, peas, seasoned with care, just like she always did. I add the water just enough, just like she taught me, not to rush the cooking, but to let everything come together gently, patiently. I pour in the eggs, slowly, steadily. She always said the final touch mattered most, so I add them with care, thinking of her. The chicken is done, tender, golden at the edges, the carrots soft, the peas bright and quiet. They're placed on a plate, not piled but arranged with care. The rice is ready too. Steam rises in calm, steady breaths. I scoop it slowly into a bowl, shaped by the way she used to do it. I add the cashews, a spoonful gently placed on the plate. They rest there, light and warm, quietly completing the dish. This recipe, not written but remembered, passed down in the way she stirred, in the calm of her hands, in the care she gave to every meal. It was hers, but with love she gave it to us.